Alright guys, before we get into this video, I want to give you a 1 week after review. So 1 week ago I ceramic coated this whole vehicle. That's what you're going to see in a second, how to do that. But I wanted to give a quick review with a water bottle just to show you exactly how this stuff works. So let's pour some water on the paint and watch it just run off. I mean, that's honestly incredible. It's been a week, haven't washed the Chevy, haven't even touched it. I've just driven it around, normal daily driving, through a little bit of rain here and there, and so far this Avalon King Armor Shield is really living up to its name and all the cool reviews out there. So make sure you stay tuned and let's get to this how-to video. What's up YouTube? Thanks for stopping into the Nasty Nate channel today. Right now we have a really cool video for you guys. We've already paint corrected the entire truck. This thing is looking flawless, but to top it all off, we need a ceramic coating. So this video is sponsored by Avalon King Armor Shield ceramic coating, and this is what you get when you get your ceramic coating. It's like a flat black box with chrome lettering. Looks really cool. We're going to open it in a second, but if you haven't already, make sure you watch the paint correction video on the Chevy. That's going to walk you step by step how to do a paint correction on your car at home using just some simple products. You don't need to take it somewhere and spend thousands of dollars and get it buffed and waxed and paint corrected. So make sure you watch that, and you're going to want to paint correct your vehicle before you do the ceramic coating. So once you get that ready to go, you're ready for the ceramic coating. So let's get this box opened, show you exactly what it comes with, and then we're going to show you exactly how to apply it to your vehicle. One thing I want to make sure before you guys start your ceramic coating, make sure you get your Avalon King Armor Shield from the link in my bio down below, and you can also use the code NASTY25, which I'll have right across the screen here and also in the link below, to get 25% off your entire order. So make sure you guys do that before you get started, and let's get to it. Alright guys, let's get the Nasty Nate knife out so we can open this new product from Avalon King called the Armor Shield. And once you open it, it's going to be a super clean looking box. The flat black looks super cool. It's going to slide out like this. The packaging on this is like badass, I think. I mean, this makes the product look a heck of a lot better when it's in a package like this, and it's really impressive, honestly. So you're going to get a little card that tells you what it does, a sticker, which is awesome. You gotta love when a company gives you stickers. And then it comes in this chrome bottle, which is really cool. It feels like a metal bottle too. It's like a really quality bottle, it seems like. It's cool because it has this cap to make sure you're not going to lose any of the ceramic coating when you put the cap back on. And then you can take out this foam piece that holds everything in there, and it's going to come with a really nice microfiber to wipe off the ceramic coating while you're applying it. It's going to come with this foam pad with their logo on there. That's going to look really cool too. And then it looks like 2 or 3 applicator pads or microfibers that you're going to apply the ceramic coating with. So what we're going to do is actually take these out, wrap them around this foam pad, and use it to apply the ceramic coating to the paint. It's also going to come with some rubber gloves, it looks like, in case you want to wear those. Make sure your hands stay clean while you're ceramic coating your vehicle. And then it's going to come with some instructions. So in case you guys have never done this before, which is probably why you're watching this, it's going to show you exactly step by step, very simple instructions. Wash, clay bar, polish. You're going to wipe your car down, and then we are going to ceramic coat the vehicle. It's got some tips on drying and curing, some maintenance. Avoid washing with soap for the first 5 to 7 days. Avoid automatic car washes. Some general tips and safety, it looks like. Probably don't want to drink this stuff or anything like that. Don't recommend. So let's get to applying the Avalon King Armor Shield to the Chevy. So what we're gonna do first, it's gonna sound crazy, but you're gonna want a nice microfiber, something that's super soft, you know, a little higher end microfiber. Don't just buy a cheap one. You're gonna get isopropyl alcohol. This is just a cheap bottle, literally costs like $1 or $2 from Drug Mart. So make sure you get isopropyl alcohol, and we are going to apply this to the towel here in a second and just wipe the paint really gently, and that's going to get all the contaminants off the paint, including wax or dirt, grease, Armor All, anything like that. That's going to make sure the paint is clean, perfectly clean, for the ceramic coating to stick to, and that's going to provide the best results with your ceramic coating. So make sure you take this step seriously, and you actually do wipe down everything on your vehicle's paint. So we're going to do that here in a second, and I'll show you exactly how. Here we go. All right, guys, you're going to take your isopropyl alcohol. You're just going to pour a little bit of the alcohol on your microfiber, and you're just going to gently run it across your paint like this. And then we'll wipe it down with the back side of the microfiber cloth just to dry it off. This stuff will evaporate pretty quick though, so you shouldn't have to actually dry it off. You're just going to wipe off any excess dust or anything like that. So I'm just going to go through the entire vehicle, and we'll be back to apply the ceramic coating. All right, once you've wiped your vehicle completely with the isopropyl alcohol, everything is clean, we can apply the ceramic coating. So I'm going to take one of these applicator pads, and I'm going to put, there's like a squishy side. It's kind of hard to tell. There's a squishy side here, and then the logo is what you're going to hold. So you put the squishy side there, wrap your towel around it like that. Might be kind of hard to see. No, there you go. And then we are going to take the armor shield and just put a couple drops on the pad, just like this. And then we're ready to start ceramic coating the vehicle with this. So what you're going to want to do is start on one section. Right now I'm going to do from here, probably stop about here, go basically a big square. And I'm going to start horizontally like this, and then I'll go back like this, just back and forth just like this in this pattern. I'll stop here for the video, and then I'll go up like this, down. You don't want to miss any spots. That's why you want to do a crisscross pattern like this, just to make sure you hit everything on the vehicle, all the paint. When you feel the pad starting to get dry, maybe it's kind of sticking to the paint, you can add a couple more drops. We're going to let this sit for about a minute. I'm going to do the bottom here, and then we can start to buff it off with our microfiber towel. Alright, you don't want to let this sit for more than 5 minutes on your paint, or else you're not going to be able to wipe it off. So let it sit for about a minute, between a minute and 5 minutes, and you'll be able to wipe it off perfectly fine. So I'm going to go right to about where I stopped, and we're just going to buff it off with the microfiber that they put in the box for us. Should be pretty easy to wipe off. We'll just wipe just like this. It's already looking good. Now we'll just go on to the rest of the vehicle. Maybe I'll do a little bit of a time lapse and you can see exactly how it's done. Alright guys, once you get your ceramic coating on, you want to let it sit on the vehicle for like 24 hours maybe even more than that, a couple days, and you want to leave it so it gets some sunlight on it too. So you also don't want it in the rain at all, because this stuff has to cure for at least 24 hours before it's good to go, and then it should repel water and dirt and all that stuff, bugs and whatnot, like amazing. So it'll be way easier to wash and take care of after you do this. But check out the reflection on this paint. I'm gonna go this way because the sun is over there, but I mean, look at that. It's just flawless. It looks literally better than factory. I don't even know if they look this good coming off of the factory line back in the day in 2006. But guys, like I said, 1 week after, and I'm already impressed with the armor shield. I mean, it just completely gets rid of the water on your vehicle, keeps it super clean. I mean, there's no other ceramic coating that I would want to put on my truck for anything close to this price. I mean, this is a steal of a deal on a ceramic coating. I would highly recommend it, and go down in the link below to get your ceramic coating from Avalon King Armor Shield and use Nasty25 for $25 off your entire order, and your vehicle will have paint just as good as like what you just saw. I like this stuff so much, I actually did the door jambs too. I didn't actually buff and polish the door jambs, but I wanted to ceramic coat it and see how clean they actually stay. So maybe I'll do a review video later after I drive this thing for a couple weeks and get it dirty. But let's pull this thing out in the sunlight and see what it actually looks like. Stay tuned to Nasty Nate for some more baller videos with the Duramax.